Welcome, today I've heard of me Nubia Red Magic 7S and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first let's open settings application and then we should tap to more connection settings. After that click here to NFC, and if you wanna start to use the NFC option you should click here once on the switcher. If you wanna turn it off, just click on the switcher once again. Also, we have another way how we can activate or turn off the NFC. We should first open notification panel shortcuts. After that, somewhere here we should find the NFC icon, and just to activate it we should click here on this icon. To turn it off we should click on the icon once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.